Welcome to Envy, you filthy animals. Come on in. Hey guys, welcome to Envy. We're going to do the walk around video of Butterscotch. This is our 1980 dually. We are taking this thing right down. We're going to redo this whole truck. So Dino's gave us some inspiration last fall, feeling like maybe a little inadequate, not being on bags, not being chassised, all this stuff. So we're going to try to level up and have this ready for Dino's this year. So we got lots we're doing to it. We're like I said, brand new chassis. We're going to build it. I've got the CAD files I'm working on right now. Almost done. We got same wheels. We're going to run the same wheels just because they're expensive and don't have no wheel sponsors, so no one's stepping up. We're going to do that. But our center caps, I got a full, we're going to do that full dog dish center cap, do like the OG style out of Billet. And we're going to cover the bolt holes and try to keep it like a real nice, clean, retro look. And also hence like the slotted wheel, kind of like the old school style. So we're gonna do that. Paint, we're pretty much gonna keep the same. It's got a nice patina, everyone seems to love. And I know as soon as we start painting, I'm gonna go OCD and it's gonna get crazy. So we're trying to keep it somewhat on a budget. We got a bunch of good sponsors that have jumped on board. We're gonna list here, but a few things we are gonna do is we're gonna clean up the white. I think it's been repainted at one time. The white's peeling and flaking, and I'm not happy with that. So we are going to clear the whole truck at some point. So we'll redo the white. Trim's all going to come off. We'll re-clear the whole truck together so it'll be silky smooth. We're going to do a raised bed floor, obviously, because we're body dropping it. And yeah, so we're going to do a tilt bed, and that'll allow us to actually, we'll bring our bed pretty much vertical. JP over there has got a really cool design, and we're going to be building them out of the Billet. So we'll be doing the Billet version of his design as a kind of a collab. So we're pretty pumped about that. Those are almost ready for production. Yeah, so that, and then moving on to interior. I stitched this guy up last minute. I was making a bunch of hood braces in for Dino's, trying to get all our inventory ready, and I was kind of bored between, you know, my 2 o'clock stays at the shop. So I decided, well, hey, let's learn how to sew. I bought a machine a while back, and I figured I'll give my try at it. Turned out pretty good for a first go. So I'm gonna try it again. Next interior is a little different. We're doing a full interior color change, which is, I'll keep that one for now. I'll keep that one in a hat. Then you'll kind of give us something to look forward to. So that, and then, so just a 350, standard 350 built. It's built for trying to get about 500 horse out of it. You know, typical small block Chevy issues, oil leaking, you know, transmission, connection issues, lots of problems that, I don't know. We had a lot of trouble getting it ready for Dino's. We limped it in there, ended up fixing it in the parking lot, getting it running. So we were able to drive it out, and it wasn't ideal, but it made it. So our fuel pump didn't like the Arizona heat a whole lot. It's used to Canada. So, but anyway, that being said, this is all coming out. I got an L96 6-liter turbo. We're going to be adding the turbo with a 6L90 transmission. So that should really put some power to the ground. The guys are saying 1,000 horsepower. I don't need 1,000 horsepower. If we have 600 horsepower, that's fine, you know. So, but anyway, this is gonna get right cleaned up. We're gonna do the body color on the inside, but we're gonna keep it a satin color. And then we are gonna do custom metal work and everything, battery locate to the back. We're gonna clean it right up, try to keep it minimal as possible. We got Cerakote on board and prismatics, so we're gonna use the Cerakote on the motor, the headers. We're gonna try to keep it real pretty. Yeah, and then obviously, I mean, hood braces are off since Dino's. I've got some new ones coming. We're getting this kind of ready, so took those off. We got a few other items that we're working on. We'll keep all that kind of for now, but what else we got? I guess if we go underneath, I can kind of show you where we were and what we're gonna have. So we're doing new vent windows as well, new seals, all from Precision Replacement Parts. As you can see, definitely needed. Window seals, everything. So that's all gonna come out anyway. So, and then we're gonna do a one-piece back window. It's another one. That'll be nice. I'm not a big fan. I like the slider when it's hot, but it is, it's an AC truck now, so yeah, I think it'll be a lot cleaner with the one piece. Another thing we're working on is the billet grill. So we're probably not gonna do a full one-piece billet. I think what we're gonna do is billet and then billet buckets separate. So it'd be 3 pieces. This piece, the top and bottom trims, will be a piece of the insert, but I don't think we're gonna worry about doing one entire piece. We're gonna try to keep it kind of that mid. There's a lot of people doing the full one piece, and we're gonna try to keep something that's not quite $13,000, $14,000 for a grill. So working on one for this and then one for Donnie with the avocado chuck for his new build for the black velvet. So there's a little hat, cat out of the bag right there. And then these little bad boys right there. So yeah, that's some custom billet right there. Already made. I'm well ahead of the game on these guys. We'll probably use those exact ones in this truck. Underneath now, we got a few things. I put an auxiliary transmission cooler just because we were getting a little bit hot. The Phytech transmission controller I am using on this. We won't get started on that. A little bit of a, yeah, we just won't go there. Anyway, Willwood has stepped up. They're coming on board. So we're gonna be doing the Willwood big brakes all around. Willwood everything. So right from the master down. So that's gonna be pretty fun. That's exciting. Like I said, new frame, new control arms, new spindles, new everything. So that's all gonna be on the new chassis. That being said, this will be a full, complete rolling chassis without wheels to roll with, but if someone was interested in a notched full, I think we did a switch suspension 6.8 on this, so that I might sell this whole roller with motor and everything, you know, now that you know all the issues, you know, the leaks and all that stuff. So anyway, 4L60 is what we had in it built. So it's good for 600-700 horse, but I don't know, we never really got that out of the motor yet. So having some communication issues with Phytech between that and the ProFlow from Metalbrock. So anyway, once that's all dialed up, it'll be pretty good. Once this body's off, we'll be able to address, I think we got a bit of an intake leak for the oil in the back. It's coming down and I haven't been able to figure out where it's coming from. We've tried everything. Did the transmission high volume pan. We got the high volume pan on the motor. We got the Hedman long tubes, all stainless all the way back with the cutouts, which it's so loud with the Borla attacks. I don't think the cutouts made a difference, so that was almost a waste. Yeah, no, under here it's pretty standard. Just lowered, made a little cross member for the transmission quickly. It's all notched, C-notched from the switch suspension stuff. Their shocks they supplied. It was a nice kit, real nice kit for what we did. It got us through year one. So, but all this is going to go. We got new diffs, new everything. So, if anybody is interested in this chassis, hit me up. I probably will just sell it. I don't think I'm going to keep it around for too long. So it's nice shape. Yeah, underneath, I think that's it. Borla attacks. I don't know what we're going to do this year. If somebody wants to sponsor a truck for exhaust, we might we'll go that way. Otherwise, if I'm paying for it, I'm going to find something I like, and we'll do that. But yeah, it's coming along. So we've been working on these Billet HD taillight marker lights. I don't know what you call these. Anyway, so we've got a Billet version. We're trying to incorporate the OG lenses with a LED insert. Unfortunately, we're having a bit of trouble trying to find these things repop. If anybody knows where we can buy these lenses or these whole original, would be awesome, because I really don't want to go to this style. You can get lots of these LED like trailer light type thing. They're close. I just don't think they have quite the same OEM plus look that we're trying to get. So that's been kind of the hold up on that. The internals on the LEDs, it's not too bad. We've got that kind of sorted out. So might be a kit where you buy our bezel and you use your original lens, and we'll sell you an LED, the clips in there, and yeah, and new hardware obviously, but they look pretty clean. They look a lot nicer than these faded out rubber. Yeah, that. So stay tuned. We should have these ready pretty soon, and they won't do this. We're going to keep you guys updated on this build and the progress all along the way. So it's a part of our commitment to our sponsors. We're going to highlight everything along the way. The frame, everything, the brakes, interior, all the parts we put on this. Anybody who's pitched in, we're going to make sure that we really show off every step of how we're using their parts, what we're doing with their parts, any modifications we have to make, the ease of install, or maybe the difficulty. I don't know, maybe that might not be the best for them, but anyway, that's real life. Some things don't just fall into place. So we're gonna keep everything rolling for you guys, and hopefully keep you entertained with this guy, and keep on, because we got another truck we're starting here right away. A friend of ours from California is shipping up a 68, and we are gonna start tackling that. That's a full chassis build as well. Files are at the laser cutters. They're gonna be back here, and we're gonna start that frame in the next couple weeks. So that's super exciting. Stay tuned, we'll get this rolling. The thing about this damn thing just leaks like a sieve, man. Went through so much work to try to get it all from not leaking. It still fucking leaks like a motherfucker.